A rain gutter, also is known as a rain catcher, is a narrow channel, or trough, forming the component of a roof system which collects and diverts rainwater away from the roof edge. The main purpose of a rain gutter is to protect a building's foundation by channeling water away from its base. The gutter also helps to reduce erosion, prevents leaks in basements and crawl spaces, protects painted or stained surfaces by reducing exposure to water, and provides the means to collect rainwater for later use. Gutters are also very effective at keeping building egress areas clear of falling water. Going into a house entrance below water running straight off the roof in a heavy downpour is literally like taking a shower. This major reduction in moisture also helps to keep entrance surfaces dry and free of moss, slime, algae and other growths likely to cause slips. Rain gutters can be made from a variety of materials such as cast iron, lead, zinc, galvanized steel, painted steel, copper, painted aluminum, PVC, and other plastics, concrete, stone, and wood. Downpipe rain spout cold roll forming machine can bend the roll form pipe, and let the drain pipe and the bending connect to be the hole. The product after roll forming has a long working time than the traditional PPC pipe, and not aging. It can make the project more integrate, and help to enhance the image of all project. Our company provides global service. Our designer will arrange the producing of the machine. After assembling, we will debug the machine, and at the same time, we will make a video for the clients and teach them how to operate the machine. Before shipping, the machine is tested in our factory. When the client gets the machine, he can according to our video to operate the machine. If you need, we can go to your place to assist you. If you can provide better drawings, we can produce the machine for you. Machine design capacity. Raw material thickness, 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters. Input material width, 280 millimeters will be confirmed after the final drawing. Suitable raw material, MGL or PPGI. Production line working speed, 8 to 12 meters per minute. Machine weight, about 6,000 kilograms. Machine components. This production line will be combined with manual decoiler, feeding table, roll forming machine part, hydraulic cutting unit, output table, hydraulic oil pump, and electrical control cabinet, and so on. Features of this rainwater gutter roll forming machine: lower cost, high efficiency, reliable working, low energy consumption. Lotus is specialized in building materials of the light steel structure. Since the factory founded 10 years before, it always designs and produces various type profile of roll forming machine. The main products of the factory is roller shutter door, sandwich panel line, racking roll forming machine, the cable tray roll forming machine, glazed tile forming machine, automatical CZ purlin forming machine, floor deck forming machine, guardrail forming machine, downpipe forming machine, the whole carriage plate for car beam unit, steel storage unit, etc. Lotus is located in Wuxi City, Jiangsu Province, which is close to Shanghai. Wuxi Lotus Roll Forming Machinery Manufacturing is world roll forming machine manufacturer, leader in the production of roll forming machine systems, manufacturer and import of roll forming machine. Welcome any profile to design and produce roll forming machine. You can all our videos and YouTube channel and contact us with email, WhatsApp, Telegram, WeChat, and other ways.